Welcome to the Phoenix Feed. My name is Redford from SMAC. The cast of the Phoenix Feed has been working on some content to share with you. Today we have a spicy challenge with Rylan, a teacher spotlight with Mrs. Lyons, and an art tutorial with Ella. Now over to Rylan.
Hi, I'm Rylan Watson in the 7th grade. This is how I'm spending my quarantine. I'm going to do a spicy food challenge with eating this serrano pepper here. Here we go. So good. How are you spending your quarantine?
Hey guys, welcome to my balcony. Just thought I'd share with you some of the stuff I've been working on when I have free time. So I live in an apartment and somebody put a porch bench by the dumpster, so I thought I would like to have a porch bench. So I picked it up and I brought it over, and I'm gonna fix it up because it's in bad shape, so let me show you what it looks like. So the bench is all in pieces because I took it apart, but you can see it's this woven stuff, but if you take a look, the previous owner did not take good care of it. So a project I've been working on since I bought it, since I took it, I guess I didn't buy it, is I've been cutting all the stuff off and I repainted it, and I bought new reeds, and I'm working on redoing the weaving, which I've never done before. I bought a little book and I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, and now I'm giving it a try, and that's how far I've got on the new part so far. So here is my new venture. You can see I've done just a little bit more. So I thought if you want, you can watch me do some of this.
Hey guys, this is Ella Georges, and I'm showing you how to do a galaxy tutorial. Anyway, so we started off by painting whatever you're using black. I'm painting my that thing, because I just want to and I was bored. You can use paper or canvas, whatever you have, notebook, fridge, anything really. But The best thing to use is like the spiky paintbrushes, not really the really soft ones, for better results, but I kind of went and did whatever. So after you're done painting a black, you have to wait for it to dry. You don't want it to dry all the way, but most of it. And I have absolutely no patience, so I went and got a blow dryer and blow dried it. But anyway, you're also going to need a cup of water so you can wash off your paintbrushes, and like a towel to dry them. I just used my pants because I'm chaotic like that. But then after you dry it, I have a little white spot from blue that used to be on there, so just ignore that. You're going to get some turquoise blue, and then you're going to put it onto your black stuff. You're going to kind of like move it around a bit, get into the areas you want, wherever you want it. It doesn't really matter which way it goes, just wherever you prefer, which is totally fine. Anyway, so you go and you put the blue. It doesn't have to look very good. You just got to get it where you want. You kind of mix it up so it's not like splotchy. I had some clumps, so I had to get rid of the clumps. But after you do that, then you get a spiky paintbrush, and then you go and kind of like fuzz it up a bit, make it more fuzzy, less flat. And then you're going to get like a magenta color, and then you're going to get some of that. Do the exact same thing with magenta, but less of it. More like around the edges, like little spots. You don't want the whole thing. So I go and dot it around, and you just dot it wherever you want to, which totally works. After you dot it up, then you go and get the spiky paintbrush again. And then you go and fuzz it up. Anyway. Just be warned, this can get messy, as you can see in the corner that I already splashed in paint. But ignore that. Then you get some royal blue, do the like exact same thing around the edges and a little bit in the middle. And you kind of want to make it go out a bit, not just a straight line, because galaxies don't do that. I mean, I guess they can, but not this one. Unless you want it to. It's your painting, your choice. I'm just here for help, I guess, if this is any help. I'm not that good at painting. Anyway, then you're going to get the magenta again. Not a magenta, lighter purple. I kept on grabbing dark purples, and I was like, wait, nope, light. And so you go around and do the exact same thing. You kind of just put it wherever you feel like needs purple. Like any area you want. And you just go and you splotch it around. And then after that, you add some more of the turquoise to like overlap it, because your turquoise is kind of gone now. So you're going to add some more. This is, you just do kind of wherever you want, where you think that the turquoise should go again. I put some on the edges to make it a little more expanded, because why not? My painting, my rules. Then you go and you get some more dark blue. You kind of add a little bit of highlights. Mine kind of failed because I didn't let it dry, so you should let it dry a bit. But I just have absolutely no patience. Doesn't matter though. After you do that, then you go and there you go, blow dry. Dry, go annoy your parents or something, do whatever you want. Then you go and you add some more black. And then you get the spiky paintbrush and you kind of like fuzz it up. And you have to make sure it's pretty close to the edge so it doesn't just look unnatural. Well, you can have it go to the middle, but you have to have a bit of it connected to the edge. There's some parts where I don't, but it's really your decision. And you can go and blow dry. You don't have to though. Then you get the white, and where you flick the paintbrush and it makes little stars. Yeah, we're gonna do that. So I started off with a really tiny one to make really small stars. You can hardly see them. You can only see a bit. And then after I did that for a little bit, I went and I got one of my more bigger, spikier paintbrushes, not the one I used to fuzz up the painting, but I got that, and I went and did more. I haven't gotten it yet, obviously. Just making some more small dots. And here you go, you get the paintbrush, and then you do more flicks. And see, this one makes a lot more stars and bigger ones. So you go and you do that all around wherever you want stars. After you do that, you kind of add some highlights along the galaxy to make it more starry and more galaxy-y. And you can add some bigger stars, maybe make constellations if you know any. I know the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper, but I didn't want to add them. You don't have to add any constellations if you don't want to. I didn't. I just kind of went and added some stars and highlights, and you're done. Cool.